Hey everyone, welcome back to Inside Luxury Campers. If you're new here, this channel is all about real camper tours, luxury RVs, and hidden gems from around the world. And today, I've got something unexpected for you. What if I told you this camper costs less than a basic car in Europe, but comes fully equipped for life on the road? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and brings you more unique camper tours like this. Right now, it's March 2026, and we are at a modern camper exhibition here in Shanghai, surrounded by dozens of RVs, luxury motorhomes, and new designs. This one immediately stands out, not because it's the most expensive, but because of what it offers for the price. This is the Weihang T8, also known as the Black Panther. Let's start with the numbers. The official price is around 468,000 won, roughly 65 to 70,000 US dollars. And at this price point, you're looking at a fully equipped, ready-to-travel camper. Size and platform. This camper measures 5,498 millimeters in length, 2,086 millimeters in width, and 2,650 millimeters in height. So it stays under 6 meters, which is a sweet spot for maneuverability while still offering a full living setup. Under the hood, you get a 2.3-liter turbo diesel engine producing 128 kilowatts, that's about 174 horsepower, and 430 newton meters of torque. Fuel tank capacity is 80 liters, which gives you a solid range for long-distance travel. This version is rear-wheel drive, focused more on efficiency and road comfort. Driving systems are surprisingly complete. You get Bosch 9.3 ESP stability system, ABS braking system, electronic parking brake, tire pressure monitoring, cruise control, rear view camera. So in terms of safety and control, this feels like a modern passenger vehicle. Step inside the cabin. There's a 12.3-inch central display, a multi-function steering wheel, air conditioning, heated mirrors, and multiple 12-volt power outlets. It's clean, minimal, but everything is where it should be. Now let's move into the living space. This camper is designed for up to 4 people. The main sleeping area measures 1,400 by 1,950 millimeters, comfortable for 2 adults. The dinette area can also be converted into an additional sleeping space. Construction and insulation. The body is fully insulated with vibration and sound dampening materials, which means this camper is not just for summer trips. You can realistically use it in different climates and conditions. Kitchen setup. You get a gas stove, a sink, and a 70-liter refrigerator. It's compact but fully functional for everyday cooking on the road. Bathroom, a complete wet bath. Shower, cassette toilet, mirror, ventilation system, everything you need in a compact space. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts, the electrical system. This camper comes with a massive 800 amp-hour battery. That's a serious upgrade compared to many campers in this price range. There's also a 3,000-watt inverter, allowing you to run appliances, charge devices, and stay fully off-grid. Water system. 120 liters of fresh water, 50 liters of gray water, combined with the electrical setup. This gives you real autonomness for several days. And if that's not enough, you can add solar panels as an option and turn this camper into a fully independent travel system. Exterior features. You get a 3-meter awning, external power connections, outdoor lighting. Small details, but they make life on the road much easier. Of course, not everything is included. Optional upgrades can cost around 20,000 yuan extra, but even with that, this camper stays very competitive. So what is this camper really? It's not traditional luxury, it's not trying to compete with high-end European brands, but it offers something different. It's practical, it's efficient, and it's built for real travel. And maybe that's exactly why campers like this are becoming more popular in China. Because in the end, freedom doesn't always have to be expensive. If you enjoy real camper reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe to Inside Luxury Campers. More tours, more hidden gems, and more unexpected finds. Coming soon, so would you travel in something like this?
香的你可以看到了。
它绝对能吃香，它因为它长他们两个。